Trinity Lutheran Church of Pottsville, PA. In December of 2016, the church decided to upgrade their audio system. They asked me to design, and I later installed, an updated audio system complete with a Mackie audio control console, QSC power amplifier, 4 Shure SLX4 UHF wireless microphone receivers, 2 Shure handheld microphones, 2 Shure lapel body pack microphones, Audio-Technica and Biodynamic podium microphones for their lecterns, Audio-Technica boundary microphones for their altar, and a much safer Furman power distribution system. 3 years later, in December of 2019, they decided to add to their system again. They asked me to design and install 2 additional handheld microphones with 2 Shure SLX4 UHF wireless microphone receivers, a professional AA battery charging station and rechargeable batteries, so they wouldn't go through as many lithium non-rechargeable batteries, 2 gooseneck podium microphone stands, and all custom labeled XLR cables from Rapco Horizon. The church also has me back to do an annual cleaning of their system.